Hey guys, this video I'm going to show you how you can win $100,000 in app contest. So if you go to Higgsfield AI, if you have an idea, you don't need to know how to code, just click on here, the Claude, and this is called the app. So build an app and win $100,000. So the prize I'm going to show you right here, you can win first prize $25,000, second prize $15,000, $10,000 for third prize, and there's 10 prize for the 10 projects that is worth mentioning right here. So you can build an app right here on Higgsfield and on this block field, just to show you guys. So you can play this looks like a Minecraft voxel game. So let's do this. It has to be productivity tools to games, image and video generators to viral novelty apps. So your app is gonna give people reason to create on Higgsfield. And so you pick an idea, you build an app on here on the Higgsfield, and submission is July 8th, 8 a.m. Pacific time. So it close on July 22nd at 8 a.m. Pacific time. As you can see, I'm going to make it bigger, and the winners are announced on July 29th, judging period 22 to 29th. And right here, you have all the details to join right here. You must have a Higgsfield account, 18 years old, follow the policy right here, post your app in at least one of public social media platform with a link to Higgsfield app and the Higgsfield app hashtag. And so judging will be based on user generated. Usage generated is 40%. So total Higgsfield platform usage by users inside your app. So your app mainly is gonna ask people to generate a lot using Higgsfield. And creative concept is 30% weight, originality, strength of the app idea, social media engagement 15%. So reach, views, likes, shares, and comments on your public post. Platform engagement 15%, views, likes, and generation inside the Higgsfield app gallery. So all this prohibited content, you have to read through this. And does it cost anything? No. What kind of app? You can build any original app that gives people a reason to generate videos and image. I'm gonna show you right here what kind of app you can create with Higgsfield, just to give you an example. You don't need any Claude or anything, because Claude is built inside here. So you can choose between different model. Claude Fable 5, that's going to cost a lot of money, credits. Claude Sonnet 5, that's a new agentic from Anthropic. Claude Opus 4.8, GLM 5.2 is the open source from China. So DeepSeek as well. And Claude Opus 4.6, Claude Sonnet 4.6. This costs less than the Claude Fable 5. You can build with Gemini 3.5, 3.1 Pro, GPT 5.5, best for multi-step tasks. With Grok, you can build 4.3. And so I suggest go with the Fable 5. Is amazing one-shot prompt. It's gonna build your whole app. And if you want to approve it, just click approve. If you want to auto run without approval, just go for it. And let it do its thing. I think 20 minutes, 30 minutes gonna be done. And you can choose the type right here. What type of app you want to create. You can custom. You can create a simple app. So simple, image, expand image or something like that. Or a studio, it's gonna be like more complex. Or a preset app, as you can see here. You can choose here. And the style, you can click on the style. So you can have modern, Y2K, Higgsfield. So there's not a lot of choice, but you can also not use any of this and type your own right here. So app contest right here, as you can see by community, these are all the apps by community, and these are made by Higgsfield. So virality predictor, expand image, angles 2.0, shots, what's next. So this actually gonna be within Higgsfield if you want to see. So UGC Studio, Ad Forge, as you can see, there's a views right here, 533 views, and people spend 7,947 credits. The UGC, they spend about 22.1K credits already. And as you can see, there's micro drama, there's Hook Studio, Somewhere, Misery, Octagon, Character Sheet, Ad Studio. So Ad Studio, a lot of people using right here, 11.4K credits. And let me show you just an app right here. There's a bunch of apps down here. So let's go and open UGC Studio and just to show you guys what kind of app you can build within Higgsfield. So you can upload an actor photo on a product image to generate a UGC talking head video with Seedance. And let's zoom out a little bit. You can choose the actor face right here by uploading one, and you can choose the product image. Just say something about the video. So for example, excited creator discovers that this moisturizer shows texture, talks about how it transformed the skin in 2 weeks. And you can do settings up to 15 seconds. And I think like if we see Dance 2.5, it's gonna go up to 30 seconds. The creator gender, woman or man, resolution, it can go up to 1080p, but now there's actually 4K with Cdance 2.0. I think they did not update this. Iterate, launch multiple variants simultaneously. Each gets randomized action, talking, dancing, reaction demo. So you can do variants decrease or increase right here. So it's gonna launch up to seven, the maximum variants. So how it works, you upload, describe, and it's gonna create this for you. So it's kind of the same as I think Higgsfield there's something like that about UGC, and even a URL. So history, you can see this. So a lot of people are using this app, and there's a music generator, music video generator. Can upload a song, and actually with sudo you can make this, and you can make my video. So upload a song and it's gonna automatically like create the visuals, and then the lip sync, and the direction, storyboard and so on. It's gonna cut, and you can do this as well. So those are kind of apps you can make. For Higgsfield you can also make games with Higgsfield. So you can do a shooter, platformer game, novella, hyper casual, racing, horror. You can also make it multiplayer. The settings is like medieval, cyberpunk, retro, modern, space, fantasy. And you can code this. Oh, this is selected for Fable 5. So, uh, and you can have style, pixel art, minimalistic. And let's take a look at some of the games you can make with Higgsfield MCP right here. You can create build on here. So block field, kind of like Counter-Strike, pretty bound. So you can see how many people play, 146.2K, 1,952 plays right here. Different games right here. So Hustle Ball, Hustle Hall, Pressure Spot. This is good for the World Cup. And Red Horizon. So a lot of cool games right here, as you can see. Let me click on one, this block field, just to show you guys. So you can play. This looks like a Minecraft voxel game. So let's do this. You can zoom, and then you can even jump and shift to accelerate. Uh-oh, I die. Okay, so let's go back. How do you go back? Let's see. So you have to do escape and go back. And this is what kind of game. And you can also make websites right here. But I think you have to build an app in order to win. So you can make a website, like pretty cool websites with these. Just show you guys what you can do with Higgsfield right here. As you can see, this one gets the most views and credits. So we're gonna click on that. And this is a website built within Fable, I think using Fable 5 and Higgsfield. So you can upload your photo, street casual, step 2, place, type settings, record the tape. Oh, so actually it's kind of like an app where you can record yourself here in a street and a summit. Let's click on this. So a man and woman, you can upload. It's kind of like a form. And let's go back to the apps. It's pretty cool to, because the goal is to make an app. As you can see, Octagon, 2 photos. Let's see. what octagon makes. Book the fight. So it's kind of like it's gonna animate a fight between two opponents. So your photo and opponent photo. Or you can do photos where there's anyone. You can describe the prompt right here, and you can do master 4K resolution up to 15 seconds, or you can choose your format: portrait, landscape, square, and as you can see, it's gonna generate the video just like that. So it's kind of like a pretty cool, easy app to make. And you can do right here at studio. Got a lot of people using this as well. 11,000 credits. You can actually add your first product right here. Pick your presenter, create your digital twin if you upload your own photo, and you can have different voice right here, different presenter. You can choose from here, and you can have preset library. You can have presenter voice. You add product. That's pretty cool. And you can choose how many seconds you want to generate, and you can also choose the language that the presenter is going to speak in. So we in English, Spanish, German, French, and right here it's going to generate right here. So really straightforward app. You can do unboxing or review. So in one page, this app. So you can make this kind of app and win this prize right here. So start now, and I think you know, get a chance to win this. Just follow this. You can even have like you know, the Claude to suggest you some ideas on what to make right here, and here you go. So that's pretty cool. This is a game as well. So if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.